Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp notification sound not working. So guys, if you are using iPhone and having this type of problem that when you have received any WhatsApp notification and guys sound is not working, you do not know that WhatsApp notification is received or not because of sound not working problem. So guys, how can you fix this problem? You can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your WhatsApp in your iPhone, and guys, you need to click on settings here. And guys, you need to click on notifications tab. You need to reset your notifications. And guys, after doing reset, your sound options will be reset as well. As you can see here, you need to make sure that it is on. And guys, after doing reset, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, maybe this problem is in your iPhone. Simply you need to open your iPhone settings, and guys, you need to click on notifications tab. And guys, you need to scroll it down, click on WhatsApp. And guys, after this, here you can see these options are unchecked, but notifications are allowed. So guys, first of all, you need to make sure that these are allowed. So guys, if don't allow, then you need to make it allow. And guys, you need to check all of these. And guys, after this, here you can see here is the option of sounds. So guys, simply if it is turned off, then guys, you need to turn on it. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.